Gary Smith, Aki
David.
Kumar. Welcome to bluesharmonica.com.
Thank you, Dave.
So we've had both Gary and Aki on camera before talking about our new project.
Yes, our new project called the West Coast Mafioso Harmonica Kings. Is that it?
Yeah, I think we have to come up with a name.
We haven't tagged it yet.
Yeah, I thought about the West Coast Blues Harmonica Super Harps, but it's too big of a name. Probably a little bit too lofty too.
Yeah.
I think highly of myself.
Yeah, yeah, we were super all right.
Any thoughts on the
I was
name
just
at all?
with Three Amigos. But,
The Three
that's
Amigos.
taken already.
That is taken already. So we have to think about that one. We've talked on camera individually about the idea of doing this project, so we're ready now to rehearse the tunes of all three of us together. Aki and I have rehearsed, Gary and I have rehearsed, so it's now time for us three to get together. There may be some rough edges here or there, but we're professionals. We'll dial them in 10 minutes before the gig. And actually, I choose these guys not only because they're great players, but of course they're into it and they like to practice. It's not just, this is just blues. Let's just show up and make it happen. Because you can't really do that with this, right?
No, this is a little bit higher brain concept, I think, than we usually operate on.
We'll start with It Takes Three, and the name is pretty obvious. A little reminder, what you're going to hear, actually I made a jam track for you guys, a practice track actually, what we call a scratch track. Yes, it's called a scratch track. And for convenience sake, of my own recording sake, I didn't bring the individuals in. What I did is, since it's my song, I went ahead and recorded each of the individual parts. And just to make it a little bit easier for the listener to hear, I have one part full left speaker, one part full right speaker, and one part center speaker. The part that I play, if you're into gear like we are, I play through my Masco ME18 through my Megatone 212 cabinet, and that is center channel if I remember right. And then I play Gary's part through the line out of the Masco, which is kind of cool. And he's the second player. So on the transcription, actually the transcription I changed it from player 2 to just Gary's name, so it'll be easy to follow. I'm playing all the parts, so now you actually get to hear Gary actually play his parts. And then I have Aki as player 3, and I'm going through my Kalamazoo. So just a fun way to get some different sounds. Shall we go through the song maybe twice? The first one just to make all of our mistakes and be fantastic the second time through?
I
Or
think,
the other way around. I think that'll be better.
yeah, let's try it.
Okay. Now the jam track we have, I thought about it might be good if we only do 2 times around for our solos. So the scratch track I provided everyone only gives 2 times for the solo, but it seemed short to me. It just felt like the song allows more room for a player to really...
Yeah, 2 goes by pretty fast.
I agree. So I'm Xing that, and the new jam track that we're going to play to right now, I've extended it to 3 choruses.
3?
But the scratch track I provided for you guys is just 2 choruses because, again, it was just a scratch track more for placement and harmonies, and also gives me a chance to check the harmonies before we actually play together. This is my opportunity to do all those little parts work together well. Now that you do, let's go ahead and give it a try.
That's you.
No, that's you. You're a player too.
I'm player 2. Oh, I'm
yeah.
sorry.
You always go second.
Okay, can we switch chairs?
All right, here we go.
From the top?
From the top. Gary. Aki. Yeah, and on that last one, we go. That last bar of bar 12, Gary, I want you to go to Fi draw.
That's what I was doing, I think.
Oh, okay. Go one more, one. Yeah, and big slap. Yeah, because that's what's going to really drive us to the next chorus.
Okay.
Now, I got a question for you guys. Does it seem a little boring to have me play that response part each time? Okay. So we got the ba, ba, then I play ba-do, 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 ba, ba, and this is the part I'm talking about. Ba-do, ba-do, ba-da. Would it be more interesting if we're trading that little piece around, or if we do, I don't know if I want to do harmony on that necessarily, because I want to highlight the ba, ba. That's the first time we've heard a harmony.
Right.
Let's just, for the heck of it, let's experiment with that. Where we trade it around.
Dave, on my harmony at the
Yeah. Yes, that's right.
and then
You're going one draw the whole time.
the whole time.
Yeah.
All right, and then there's the part after that. We'll get to that.
Okay, so we're going to do the harmony part. This is the first harmony part, but let's trade off the fills, and let's just go in order of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
That makes more sense.
Okay, here we go. Your fill. I'm still playing your part. I'm so used to always playing that little response part. All right, let's try that again. Maybe that's a little more interesting than just me always playing that same part.
Yeah. If I can remember. I'm going to have to go over it a couple times.
Okay.
Sink into the cerebellum.
Let's do that one more time, and then we'll slide into the next chorus. And you were asking about your part, Augie.
It's the bottommost one.
Yeah, exactly. It's the bottommost one
Okay, I got it.
for the 4 chord. Yeah. Then for the 5 chord, then the 4. So let's do that chorus we just did, and we'll continue on. Speed it up just a tiny bit. All right, back to our harmonies. That's me. See, I'm getting so relaxed. I don't have to play those parts anymore.
One question. What do I play on the 5 chord?
You are the 3 draw, so it'd be the whole step bend. Is that right?
That's a 2-draw half step for him.
That's me. I'm sorry, Gary. You're on a 4 blow. Yeah, you're playing the flat 7th there.
4 blow to the 5 draw.
Actually, just stay on the 4 blow.
I thought you said the very last note would be the.
You're talking about the 5 chord or the turnaround?
Yeah.
Okay, on the 5 chord, you're going to play the 4 blow.
5 chord, I'm playing 4 blow. Okay, I got it.
Too many numbers around here. break. I think that sounded pretty good.